Welcome to iGlobal Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. In the last 24 hours, the Australian dollar has returned sharply back to a bullish case, and now since the rebound of 73.10, which was last recorded back in January 2017, as the focus has shifted back to the 74-cent region. With a cap holding at 74.60-65, I anticipate any challenges towards the upside to fail and give us opportunity to shorten the market. Overall, I still expect to see a fall towards the downside, with 72.55 still holding as the objective. The US dollar slipped slightly overnight and therefore has given momentum in the euro and now looks towards a region of 117.2030. Ahead though, we have the Independence Day, so it could see a little bit of a slight quiet session as the US takes a break for 24 hours. But nevertheless, we've still got further events coming up, which is the on Thursday, the FOMC minutes. And then we have the US non-farm payrolls on Friday. Along with that, we also will be viewing on Friday the US to schedule its tariffs of 34 billion on Chinese goods. They're expected to impose these tariffs and also could see Beijing slap tariffs back on equal value to the US, including agricultural and also auto exports. On the day, though, I do expect the range to hold somewhere in the region of 115.95 to 116.85. The dollar-yen case rejects the top side of 111.10 and now looks towards a region of 110.25. I do expect to see this level to weaken or may even see a slip towards 109.60-70 before buying. Nevertheless, from the rejection, like previously we saw in May, is that the weakness is likely to increase due to the US dollar weakness. And with the US dollar weakness, the pound has found a bit of momentum, and since rebounding and restoring the support from 130.65 has held to a slightly bullish candle, and therefore could see a rise up towards the region of 133, or even slightly higher to 133.80 area. Any pullbacks should find support at 131.55. Finally, we can talk about the gold from the bullish case. After rebounding off 38, has posted an outside range day to the bull case. Therefore, we could see further scope to the upside, but we would need confirmation first. If so, a break above 60 would give us that confirmation up towards 62 to 70 as a potential target. Dips are likely to be shallow. Rounding off with oil, well, we've got a long-legged doji. This clearly tells us that the market is hesitant to push any higher. And from the rejection from that 74 region is the fact that we could see weakness coming back into play. Any advances, again, should give us opportunity above 74, with the risk of a fall back towards $69, $70 a barrel. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.